When I used to live in New Jersey and I taught at this a place at Rutgers called the Douglas Developmentally Disability Center, something like that. Okay, it was I would work with teachers who were learning how to work with autistic children. And the best, bless you, the best pattern interrupt, that worked was humming. Because we are all vibrating at a high level. Anybody that understands about vibrations in the body, and if you live your life through fear, you vibrate at a lower rate, and you allow other people's energy to affect you. You get sick a lot. If you vibrate at a high level of love, and the highest vibration is authenticity, doing what you are authentically supposed to do on this planet, then you vibrate at a different level, and you may wonder why you never get sick, why you feel amazing, all these different things too. By the way, water is also important. I read that in a book too. That helps with vibrations. So let's try humming. Let's do an A sound. So breathe in, and all I want you to do is for 10 seconds, whatever you want to do, you're just going to go, ah, and then when we're done, feel and be in your bodies and notice what you feel. Ready? 5 or 10 seconds, whatever we do. Breathe in and go, ah. Now feel. How many of you feel like, whoa, 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 whoa? Nothing? Okay, let's keep going. Do an M sound. Breathe in. Let's go 10 seconds. Breathe in and go, And if you notice something, if you feel a little whoa, 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 just be present to that. That's your body just vibrating if it feels nice. And these are just pattern interrupts that work really well with the kids. Okie dokie.